Court documents have revealed more details about the historical charges laid against broadcaster Alan Jones last month. The 83-year-old has denied any misconduct and remains on bail ahead of his first court appearance in Sydney in a fortnight. Court reporter Jamie McKinnell is with me in the studio with more. Hi, Jamie. So where has this new information come from and what have we learnt about the allegations?
G'day, Roswell. We've had a look at some pretty basic court documents, and they're documents that really begin the criminal proceedings, and they are quite typical of how a case like this is going to unfold. But they do contain a list of all of the charges, and then they go into some slightly more detail about what each charge is said to have been made up of in terms of the alleged act. So Mr Jones was charged last month with a total of 26 offences. We know they related to 9 complainants, and they span a period of about 2 decades. They include 11 counts of aggravated indecent assault and 11 counts of assault with an act of indecency. And through his lawyer, we should say that Chris Murphy, the lawyer, has said that Alan Jones denies any misconduct and will defend this case. But these court documents show us that these alleged offences allegedly took place in various places in Sydney, including around Sydney, the Kiama area in Newtown and Fitzroy Falls. They cover a period as far back as 2001. And, for example, one of the complainants in these court documents, who's referred to as Complainant C, was an employee of Alan Jones, and there are 11 charges related to him. The allegations in that instance are that on different occasions over a period of about 2 years that the broadcaster is accused of touching or rubbing that person's genitals or kissing him on different occasions. And because Complainant C was an employee of Alan Jones, that is how police or prosecutors are going to allege that there was a circumstance of aggravation because there was an authority there. So that's an example of what these court documents are doing in terms of shedding a bit more light on the mechanics of each charge and showing us a little bit more detail about the allegations. But police have previously said that Alan Jones knew the complainants either personally or professionally. They've also told us as well that the youngest was 17 at the time. But all of this has happened today ahead of that first court appearance. It's expected to happen on December 18. And that's usually an appearance that will be quite brief, but it will be another chance to perhaps learn more about these allegations.
Thanks, Jamie.